Finding the best spot for your thermostat can totally change how comfy and efficient your heating and cooling system feels, no joke. So here's the scoop. You want to put your thermostat somewhere that really shows the average temperature of the whole place. That usually means the middle of your building, on an inside wall, where it's not getting blasted by direct sunlight or cold drafts. It's super important to keep it away from windows, doors, or any vents that might mess with the reading. Also, putting it near a return air grill is smart because that's where the air is already mixing. Kind of like getting a balanced temperature snapshot. Avoid corners or spots near the ceiling where heat rises, because that can trick the thermostat into thinking it's warmer than it really is. If you have multiple floors, try to have one thermostat per floor for better control. And don't forget to keep furniture or curtains from blocking it so it can breathe properly and do its job right. One of the biggest mistakes people make with thermostat placement is putting it where it gets direct sunlight or near drafts, which causes inaccurate temperature readings and wastes energy. Fix that by choosing a shaded interior wall spot away from windows and doors. Another common issue is installing the thermostat too close to vents or heat sources, like lamps or appliances, making it think the room is warmer than it is. Moving it near a return air grill helps avoid this. Finally, many folks don't consider the height. If it's too high or low, the thermostat won't sense average room temp well. Aim for about 5 feet off the floor for the best results. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners by connecting them with trusted local contractors who know exactly how to handle thermostat installs and HVAC setups right. Plus, contractors get a steady flow of work from people looking for pros they can actually rely on.